Right, well, it's the 30th of December 2024 and I've bought myself another little drone here, Mr. DJI Neo. We're going to give it a go. I'm going to try it in FPV, not this time, but we're going to try it in FPV, but firstly I'm going to try it in the follow mode, which will be quite interesting just to give it a quick try out. Took me a little while to link it to the controller and all that kind of stuff. It's all a little bit of a faff, but if you're reasonably up with things, you'll be able to figure it out. I can't explain how to do it, because if I had to do it again I wouldn't know how to do it myself, but anyway, it's one of them things you sort of fumble your way through. I'm sure there's videos on YouTube to explain how to link them to your remote control and activate the drone itself. But anyway, here it is. Little tiny thing. So yeah, we're going to give that a go when we take the dog out for a walk, which is staring at me at the moment, but yeah, we're going to give it a go. So there you are. See you on the field. Right, well, here we are. Just going to take this gimbal protector off of it, and we're ready to go. Let's turn it on. Okay.
Droning, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track. Follow. Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, well, that should follow me about now. Let's find out. There it comes. Seems to be working quite well behind me. I've got to catch up with the dog, and the missus is over here. Yeah, so it seems to work okay. Look, I'll change direction. Yeah, so that's working. That's quite cool, isn't it? Yeah, it's working. Well, that's it. That's in the follow mode. You can alter the parameters on it to go a bit higher or lower, and the mobile app and on the controller. But I've just got it as it was standard at the moment, but you can change those settings. All these moles over here. There's definitely a mole problem over here. So yeah, so that's in follow mode. That seems to be doing a pretty good job. I think the battery only lasts for about 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm not expecting too much. And it is a bit breezy today. That's working all right. Huh. I can put direction track on and it'll Oh yeah, I've got to remember it to crash into you because it didn't initially follow you, so it'll crash into you if you get too close to it.
Don't they get close to me?
No, I'm not. See, look, it won't follow you as you walk off, see? It only follow me. What are you doing, dog? She don't take any notice of it. I thought she might be jumping up after it or something. Oh well, that's quite successful. I'll have to try it out on the old e-bike and see how it gets on following me on the e-bike. Let's run up here and see what happens. Let's see what it does. I don't know if it's still behind me, but I can hear it, so it must be. Yeah, it's still there. Yeah, it's still there. Yeah, it's followed me round. There you are. It don't do a bad job, does it? That's pretty good. And then when you want to land it, all you do, is this. There we are. There you are. 135 grams it weighs. So, not a bad little thing. So yeah, let's do that thing. No, it's direction track now, so it should move away from me. If it is. Yeah, it's working. That's filming me from the front. Oi, come on. You bloody dog. What are you doing, me? No, it's following me. It's lost me now. It's lost me. It's lost me then. Ah, well that was interesting. That lost me on direction track. I think it works better on the follow mode. I don't know why. I'm not sure why it lost me on direction track, but anyway, let's put it back on follow.
Follow. Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Following me again. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, so direction track I'm not sure about. I'll have to have a look at that because it's maybe I got too close to it. But let's get round here and see if it'll follow us around this little wood bit. That'd be interesting. See if it crashes into any trees. Still there. Come on, Mo. Come on, Mo, because we want to try this out down here. Got to try this drone out down here. ain't we? Go on. Go on, move. Oh, it seems to follow all right. It's that direction track weren't so good when I was in front of it. When I turned round, it didn't like it. Is it going to hit a branch? No, it's got through there. That's good. Yeah, it's going through here, isn't it? Let's stop, see where they are. Now move. Oh well. I don't think the dog wants to come round here. Okay. Well, we'll have to go back then, won't we? Let's see whether it followed me round. Yeah, it's followed me round in a tight space that was as well. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's working quite well. She didn't want to walk round the woody bit. Didn't want to walk round there, Moo. Normally she wants to go up there. Strange. She can hear bees. Sounds like a bee behind you. Oh. Huh? It's annoying. Well. Let's go over here. See what happens over here. See what it does around here. Try and trick it around these trees. No, that works quite well. I think you can set the distance up to follow you closer. If you do that, then obviously it'll do tighter turns around things. But yeah, it does quite a lot. It does the droney, the spiral and the boomerang and all them, you know, the preset shots what you get on all the DJI drones. Oh, this is an interesting bit. Well, it's got through there. Didn't think it'd make that because it's a bit tight through there. So yeah, good. All right, well there we are. We're going to finish walking the dog and I'm going to land this bloody thing. That's a little bit of a test flight. Job done. Here we are. So yeah, there's a lot more this does. So you can hook it up with your mobile phone. See, make sure it's off. You can hook it up with your mobile phone, and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, mobile phone. I've said that about 5 times now. Yeah, mobile phone. You can hook it up to your RC controller or your RC2 or your RC N3. With the phone, so you've got the one with the actual built-in display, but you have to use the RCM3 or the FPV3 controller, and the goggles 3 or goggles N3, and the FPV3 So yeah, it's all the stuff that works with the Avanta. So yeah, it's pretty good. As I say, the only downside is obviously wind. You got to watch your wind with it. But yeah, a lot of people say about the camera is not so good. It's only got a 1/2 inch sensor. Well, yeah, that's true, but for what you're probably going to be using it for, I would say it's perfectly okay. A lot of people get hung up on, you know, picture quality. Well, in my opinion, cameras have come so far over, what, even 20 years, so they've come so far, and picture quality is generally good anyway. Yes, of course, the higher resolution and all the rest of it, and bigger the sensor, of course it's going to be better. But it's like chasing the holy grail, isn't it? Everyone wants the next best thing. So I mean, like the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which I've got, that's got a 1/3 sensor, and that gives you pretty good video quality. But for what you use it for, I don't know. It's only the ones who really scrutinise things who probably notice it. But yeah, there you are. But anyway, that's my opinion on it. I'm not going to lose any sleep over the video being not quite as good. So it's perfectly alright for what I want it for. So there you are. Anyway, that's a little look at the DJI Neo. I ain't got my other coat on, otherwise I'll be able to put it in my pocket. Yeah, I can put it in my pocket. Look, there you go. I'll just try and put it in my pocket. There we are. Yeah, it's in my pocket. Look at that. It's in my pocket. So yeah, that gives you that, and I've got the extra batteries in my pocket as well. So there you are. Just shows you it's quite versatile. Unlike all the other DJI drones, you must have the remote with you. It just makes it easy. So there you are. Right. Till the next video. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, man. No? No? Well, we're not going to get an Happy New Year off the moon.
Oh, I know.
Not going to get an Happy New Year off of the moon. I'm too interested in eating biscuits.
I know.
So, there we are. Anyway, Happy New Year. See you in 25.